In this video I will show you how to use Bing AI Image Creator. If you are new to this channel, please subscribe or click the follow button to be updated with our latest upload. Let's go ahead and open Bing app. Tap on this app's button. Then click Bing Image Creator. Now before you can access it, you need to log into your Bing account. Now this image creator will create an image out from any text that you input. To start, just click on Surprise Me. Then input a text describing the photo that you want the AI to create. Then click Create. Then please wait while AI is creating the image. You can enlarge the image by clicking it. Let's try another one. A fighting robot with a cat pet and Marvel-like artwork. Look at these results. You click on the image that you like most. You can download it by clicking this 3 dots icon, then click Download. You can also click the Share button to copy the image link. For more AI tutorials, please subscribe or click our other videos to keep on watching.